TMAs 2 and 3 will be considered in this video. 2 is the more immediate one, and I shall go into more detail about that. TMA 3, I want you to be thinking about these issues as you go along, and certainly reference to the video on judicial review will help you there. TMA 2, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the evidence of your familiarity with specific rights, what they are, and how they are balanced against each other's rights. So I don't want anything wishy-washy. I want to be very precise. I want you to use cases, and I want you to see this balancing which goes on. You know, some rights are absolute. The ban on torture is absolute, but most other rights have to be balanced either against other rights or against other people. So the freedom of expression is going to come up against the right to privacy in particular, whereas others will be one person's right to privacy will be somebody else's right to say that they want. So this balancing is central. Certainly, in your preparing for this, do have a look at the R Daily and as Secretary of State for Home Department case and the Huang case. You need to demonstrate what relevance you understand them to have. Question 1 about rights under the ECHR. The question is, does publication of the article amount to an unlawful interference with Mike's rights? And using the principles and cases, you will come to a reasoned conclusion. Question 2 is about two parts of it. One is about criminal liability under the Contempt of Court Act of 1981. So you need before you put pen to paper to know when liability arises, what defences there are under that act, and any cases that may be relevant. The second part of it will consider the relationship to Article 10 rights, and you need to look at the principles for resolving potential conflict, and you need to apply it to the problem ahead of you. So that's TMA 2, cases, critical evaluation of assertions that are made. TMA 3, to keep in mind as you're doing your reading, the judicial review and the steps that need to be taken. And in the video that I did on judicial review, I went through those 6 steps that you need to go through. And I expect you to apply it. Again, cases and argument are the key to good marks in this. Thank you very much.